Shopping is the only therapy you need. Hello my lovely shopaholic sisters. If you're excited about what I'm going to unbox today, watch. I like the name Shopaholic Sisters. How about you? I've got a bunch of stuff from IUIGA, and honestly this is one of the hardest brands I've ever come across. It's like I don't know how to pronounce it, and I don't really know how to spell it. If you don't really pay attention, you would thought it's spelled IUGA, but it is actually IUIGA. Why is your brand called IUIGA? Hello, if you're watching this, the founder of IUIGA, can you please explain to me? But apart from that hard to pronounce brand name, the reason I got the bunch of their stuff is because they are so good quality. It's minimalist quality, and in case you have no idea, if you have never heard of IUIGA, it is a Singapore brand selling home and lifestyle products. I like their products is because they have quality made stuff and they have transparent pricing models that no other business has ever done. Remember when I first saw this concept of business, I was like, oh seriously, can it really be done? Because what happens if you tell everybody how much you manufacture, the cost of the product to be, how much you mark up, and most importantly, the question that was running in my mind was, what happens if the competitors sell you out for exposing their secret? But anyways, another topic for another day. I have with me a box of goodies that I'm going to be unboxing in my video today, and I'm excited to show you what goodies are they. And what's awesome is that the delivery was super fast. It just took only 1 day after the products were checked out. On another light, just so you can see better, this is the giant box that my stuff came in. I love big packages, and I kind of opened the top already, and then I'm going to show you what is inside. As you already know, I am a beauty and makeover artist, so then I do makeup and hairstyling makeovers for my clients, and that's why I'm also curious because IUIGA has brushes that I really want to try. And what's really good is that IUIGA's brushes are cruelty-free. The trend of brushes was natural animal fibers, and currently I'm starting to see too many cruelty in the whole world and stuff, right? So that's why I'm on the lookout for good synthetic made brushes, just so that I don't contribute to the cruelty. Like, who the hell would know what exactly do they do to the poor animals when they use their hair to make brushes to put on our face? I know, you may see that, oh, synthetic brushes are kind of like plastic, they are non-biodegradable, and like they're also contributing to the world destruction or whatever, and I don't know, but oh, hello, I can please everybody. So for me, like, I like cute animals. I'm an animal advocate to a certain degree, and I really don't want to keep using cute animal things. That's why I'm trying my best, and cruelty-free, it's the way to go. And I must say that the synthetic finishes or the manufacturing process of the brushes are so much better in quality compared to the earlier years where you can't even pick up any powder properly using synthetic brushes. And that is why it is okay not to use animal fur fibers anymore. Now, stay tuned. Chang. Wow, if only this were cash, right? Yep, this are the brushes that I have. In total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But there's one thing I want to tell the founder of IUIGA or whoever is doing the marketing: please make your brushes come in a set, in a nice packaging, because you get customers to have extra choices whether they want to buy it in a set or individually, so that I don't need to keep clicking so many things. I'm not sure if you have watched my previous videos, but like most of the time I advise and teach you how to do your makeup using mainly your fingers. But for my line of work, because I'm a professional, I would like to minimize my finger contact on my client's face, and that's why I am always using brushes. And I'm really happy to see that they have a lot of sizes for my different needs, like the eyeshadow fluff brush, which is called the Luxe Eye Blender brush, and also the loose powder fluffy brush like this. It's called the Luxe Powder brush, and it comes in a very nice protective, I call this the fruit casing for brushes. That's the difference. Yeah, so I will do a tutorial or video to show you how these brushes are used and whether the synthetic fibers are really as good as it claims. Okay, so I've removed the brush from the fruit casing, and you can see how soft they are. Pass. But whether it takes up powder or not, I'm not sure. I will try it. Next up, I have this is the facial cleansing device. So I've seen a lot of females using this. Like, I don't know whether is it because we are getting lazier and lazier, or is it because 女人的钱太好赚啦? That's why rather businesses keep coming up with products that may or may not be needed. It is a want, it's definitely not a need. But who cares? Money, bye bye. Looks like this. It comes in a really cute box plastic packaging and it's pink. I love pink. So by right you should actually charge this using the USB that is also included, and then it will create a vibration that will probably help you to foam up your cleanser. I have to use this in my cleanser to see how it works, and of course I will always read the instruction booklet before I use, so probably a video for another day. Next, this is a beauty sponge storage stand. Finally my sponges have a home to go to. So it is so nicely made. It comes in a plastic shape like this, and then you just put your sponge in. It works. This is your beauty blender, and then you kind of put it in. If not, you just remove this because it is a airing rack, I would say, and then if you wash it, you can just dry it like that. Handy. Nexy! Every day is Christmas Day. It's the eyelash color. I'm so happy that the box are always nicely wrapped, but then the thing is, usually I throw them away. So I'm just going to show you how this eyelash color looks like. This is good for my clients who, let's say they have curtain lashes, they kind of grow like this, and then there's no way you can actually ever clip them high upwards towards the sky. Wow, box very tight. And then, ooh, this will come to the rescue. Very sleek looking device, and then it's like a comb. We just have to do this and hold. It's like heating your lashes up. Comes with a USB charger too, so there's no need to buy batteries. What's next? It's a really big box. This one is a product that I really want because I was in the medical healthcare sales of machines, RF, like radio frequency, RF in short. It actually is an amazing technology because it helps to tighten our skin, make it look youthful, lift it up. And IUIGA has this product that I really want to try. That's why I got it. And it is not too big or heavy because the machine I was using was a doctor's grade radio frequency, and I kind of my clients are targeted towards the gynaes, fertility doctors, where they actually help to lift up their stomach and stuff. So this is the same technology, radio frequency, and I would really need to read the instructions, but from the demo that they did, it seems like it delivers amazing immediate results because they test it on one side of the face, which is usually what I did for my previous medical sales line. And what we did is actually to test it on one side, and then we compare the before and after, and we take a photo. So I really can't wait to try it. It is an amazing device. We'll really go and understand how it really works for me, and I can't wait to be even more youthful. Oh my god, I mean, I know my skin is not too bad, but you can never have enough of youth and beauty, right? I will do a video on this after I study how it really works, and if it works, in my next video soon enough. That's also the reason why I love tech, especially medical skincare grade tech. But from what I understand, there are also many machines that many people are bringing in and trying to sell to everyone nowadays because 女人的钱太好赚啦. And I'm not even sure if that works, but maybe some are just pure marketing, so that's why we have to try. Comes with this charging stand and really sleek and nice, so you don't have to worry that you have to keep buying batteries. 有风的. I got this because I have recently read about this technique called dermal panning, actually using the blade for a special purpose for our skin. So if you're curious, maybe I'll do a video the next time. Last but not least, these are amazing because firstly the colors are so cute. I'm a sucker for colors, and secondly because this will get dirty and worn off after you use them, so that's why it's always good to replace it every few months. So please ladies, don't get lazy or like save on things that may actually cause you to have bad makeup habits and then cause breakouts on your skin. So that being said, this is really soft because I get to press it, and I love how soft it is. Because if it's not soft, it will not bounce on your face, and therefore the application of your foundation or whatever that you use with this sponge will not work as nicely. Remember, you always wet it before you bounce it on your face, okay?